on our way to Calista, which is as my son sa my Conrad Hotel to get my nails done. I'm gonna get shellac nails from Calista for my trip next week. I'm with Mark. Naantok na antok. Anyway, I already uploaded the new Okay Ba video. So it's Okay Ba ang Etude House brow tint. So yung ginamit kong brow tint, I reviewed it for you guys. Check it out. I'll have the link in the information box. And then, ang dami ko pa kailangan i-upload later on. So, tonight, birthday party ni Bea. Birthday ni Bea on Monday. Kaya, tonight yung party niya. Dadiretso na kami ni Mark from Conrad. So, yun. Ang breakfast namin kanina, chicken sisig. Ang masarap. Binili ni Mark pala from a nearby store. Sa kanya, pork. Masarap din yung pork. Yes. Loby. Hello. We're now here at Calista, guys. So I'm gonna get my shellac nails. Yay! Thank you, Mark. Hi, B. Calista, excuse me. There. Bumili kami ng Starbucks to eat. Okay na? Okay, start tayo sa hand soap. They have different, ano to mga to?
Yan po lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
And apricot.
Apricot and
lavender.
Lavender. Oh, ang bango, girl. Oh my gosh. Super bango. Lalo. Mark is choosing nail polish for me. Patingin yung red. Anong klaseng red? Bright red?
Ito pa isang red.
Dark red naman. Parang mas gusto yung bright. Mark is getting the Seri treatment scrub. Hi, B. Tapos manicure ka later. Done na with the cleaning, guys. Look at that. Sobrang linis. Love it. If you avail of gel polish, iba-ibang steps yan. And we're using the brand Puccio. Ang pinili kong color for my nails is the gray one. Ganda kasi yung gray. So after this, there siya kami sa party ni Bea. Polish, guys. Ganda. Gray ang pinili kong color. Pero medyo naka-colorblind ako. Medyo may green. Okay, pinili pa lang yan. I love it. Si Mark may polish din. Pero pang lalaki daw. Pang men. Which is a clear polish. Ano, na-relax ka ba sa ano nila? Oo, no?
Tulog ako sa Uber.
Ito yung pa ako. Kidding!
Mine are all good. My cards are good.
What do you have for? Belated, advance. Hi! May dalawang araw pa. Food sa party ni Bae. We have sushi, we have bread, chicken simmer, in red wine. Thank you. Fish, lasagna, yung famous na corned beef. Yummy! Dinner. May ano pa sila, sukiyaki yata to. Tapos na yung party ni Bae. We had so much fun. Kain na kami ni Mark. Kimmy, Joycey. Si Kim naka-Pokemon outfit eh. Ano si Bae? Hey, Bae! Baby!
Say hello. Hello, sis.
Sorry,
Look what came in the mail, guys. We're finally home. And nagpadala ang organic baby wipes ng mga baby wipes. Oh my gosh. Perfect for anything. Removing your makeup. Kung may baby kayo, pwede rin kayo for the babies. Ayan, no paraben, no alcohol. Duh, kasi nga organic siya. If ever you want this, ito yung Instagram nila. The Right Stuff PH. Thank you so much for sending these. Ang dami. Girl. Meron pa silang parang travel size. Love it. Also, may dumating na delivery from Muy Bien Bonita. Ay, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Madami yung shoes na naman, girl. Bagong designs nila to. And super cute. Look at this. O, diba? Wedge type siya. And sobrang gaan lang. So, I have the black one. And then, I also got this one. Yan, the beige one. Or the nude color. Ganda, no? And then, meron tayong, ano ba to? Ano tabi? Espadrille? Yan, espadrilles. I got the black one and also the nude. Ganda, no? Oh, diba? Muy bien bonita, guys. I'll have their link in the information box. Instagram. Done with my skincare, guys. Super bongga na tong mirror na to. I love it. I've been using it every day. And ito naman pala, kakabigay lang ng Etude House tong parang head wrap ba to? Anyway, meron na naman silang ipapadala sa Korea ng mga tao. I think 10 lucky winners. Parang last year lang din sa Seoul, Korea. Para siyang contest. So, I'll have the details in the information box. It's called the Up, Up and Away promo. So, yon. Ang face mask ko for tonight is something from Hatebise. Anyway, guys, that is it for the vlog for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! B, come here.
Wait.
Bye, B.
Bye.
I already put up the haul video, so pwede nyo siya mapanood agad. I'll have the link in the information box as well. Ang ganda namin na to, diba? Love it! And then we have another mirror over here. Yan, medyo nagdanam na yung face ko because of the M lang. It's just a good sign. Ito yung itsura ng clinic nila here. Ito gagawin yung M-la. And my favorite part of this room is this one. I'm using my Daddy Blake bag for today and then